So hello guys, in this video I'm teaching you how I decorated this cake. Yeah, basically it seems too busy, but it's actually not. So please do well to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will catch you when the video starts. I think the video already started soon. So let's get into the video. But firstly, thank you so much for 250 subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. By the way, I'll be covering this cake with Oreo mixed buttercream. I'm just gonna be like previewing how I made it right now. So yeah, Oreo cheese buttercream, and yeah, basically that's it. So basically heading straight. So let's cover up this cake. So yeah, that's about covering the cake. So basically I would be just scraping it and making sure the edges are smooth. So yeah, by the way guys, I don't really add the video of or the part of where I trim and conclude because I have videos on that already. So if you've not watched that, just maybe I'll leave a link in the description for you to go and check that video of how I trim and conclude, and on that video on how I use trimming discs to use to trim for fondant cake. Please do go to check the description for those links. And yeah, basically, so next up I'll be adding chocolate drip. Secondly, if you've not watched the video on how I make chocolate drip, so just if you watch that and watch it and head back down. So yeah, basically that's it. And I'll be rushing to go get my chocolate drip, and I'll catch you when I get back. I'm heading back. I will just be applying my chocolate drips. By the way, if you've not watched the video on how I make chocolate drips, just do well to go watch it now. I'll be leaving the card up here. So to the video. So I'm going to apply my chocolate drip. If you cannot use spoon, you should get a drip bottle, by the way. If you cannot use spoon, you should get a drip bottle, by the way. This is like my first time of using spoon though. I guess I might be lucky. So I'm just gonna be dripping one side. Just one side. Then in that side, I'll be adding some cherries, some biscuits to boost the body. I'm adding just a few Oreos. I think that's that. So I'll be cleaning up my table and bringing up mine. So I'm finishing off. I'll just be adding my happy birthday topper somewhere around here. I'll be writing something though on the cake, so I'm just leaving room for that. And I would be adding a couple of gold leaves to it. I'm keeping in mind I have to put less things on the top because I'm adding a write-up. So I will just so yeah, this is it. Basically, I think that brought us to the end of this video. I know you learned a few from it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.